Okay, so for Monday for this class, we finished the counterclaim paragraph and we peer edited it. So if you would like a partner to help you go over your counterclaim paragraph, feel free to reach out to me. But if you were absent, you need to make sure you get those in. And make sure you do the quiz that goes with it and give yourself a grade. The other thing, well, things that we have going this week, I should say, excuse me. Um, on Wednesday, we are going to go over and start some ACT drills. I would like to let you know which ones they are, but due to, well, COVID with quarantines, I have 4 or 5 of them planned and students who are planning them, but if they are unavailable to attend for whatever reason, I will readjust those. So I will try and update the assignment with those as I know who is here and who can teach that day. After we do those ACT drills, we're only going to do 2 of them on Wednesday. We are going to have a Socratic seminar on The Great Gatsby and the American Dream. Now, we may finish chapter 3 on Wednesday beforehand, before we do that. Excuse me. I had to sneeze. But we will be doing a Socratic seminar. I'm looking for questions. Might sneeze again, maybe. No, I think I'm good. We might do a little more detail about Gatsby and look at some of the impact or impacts World War One had psychologically on a lot of the people who came back from the war with that Socratic seminar. And then we are going to start working on our body paragraph. This is going to be due Monday. It's just your usual T-Bear body paragraph format. You should be familiar with that by now. You can go ahead and start working on that if you would like to. But for the most part, that is what we are going to be doing this week. Looking ahead, we are going to do a practice ACT English section, the entire section, sometime before Christmas. And that's going to be more for you than anything, so you know where you are at and you can at least have Christmas break if you want to study and get ready for that. So yeah, just a heads up for that. If you have any other questions, feel free to Zoom me or shoot me an email. We could set up a Zoom meeting. We'll go from there. So thanks, guys.